So I came by to the nearest hardware and I got myself a fiberglass repair kit for the bumper. Since my friend gave me his 2005 RSX bumper Type S. I'm gonna go ahead and repair it, and I also got some bolts, some screws, and some zip ties. So we're gonna try out the new bumper for the meantime, and then we'll go ahead and do the repairs later. That's the plan. Alright, so this is just a little sneak peek. As you can see, I'm just gonna test it out, see what it fits. The lights definitely don't fit because, you know, the 2003s, they have this this shape on the headlights. The 2005s, you know, this is cut out, so I might need to do some adjustments. I'm gonna go ahead and buy the machine later, and I'll probably do some cutouts so the 2005 bumper can fit. And this is the part that I need to repair with the fiberglass. So I'll be doing that soon pretty well as well, so just stay tuned on this video. Yeah, right now I already got the bolts on that I bought, and now I'm just gonna use the zip ties. This is just temporary, so don't hate, don't leave bad comments. So far that's what it's gonna look like. Still needs a lot more. And of course it's gonna be black. Alright, so I went to Walmart and I bought this Hyper Tough jigsaw. That way I could pretty much cut through the bumper. I've already did. It's not perfect, but right now I'm just doing some minor adjustments. Cut through. So this part was all cracked, so I taped it all up. I used duct tape and I just taped it all to where I could like throw some what's it called, plastic weld. This is what I'm gonna be using. It's for most art plastics, fiberglass, and most composites. Now I'm gonna patch up this side with tape. So now I'm just gonna sand it, and right here, this is the back part from where I taped it, and I'm just gonna sand all of it, and then after that I will be putting the JB plastic weld. Okay, this thing smells like shit, I'll tell you that much. What do you expect? Alright. So now I'm just gonna squeeze it, that way both things can mix. Now you gotta mix it. You gotta mix it. Mix it. Now I don't know how fast this thing dries, but I better do it quicker. Hold on. that is the finishing. Also glue this part and that part, so that's the only part. I need to attach it with fiberglass, so something like this, maybe. If all goes well, make it fit. Hopefully. I'm not sure if it's gonna work though. This thing is missing big chunks, but I'll see if I can make it work. Alright, so I already cleaned all the edges, sanded them down, and then I used acetone to clean out the surface. Next I'm going to use is fiberglass repair kit. So we have a fiberglass resin, the cloth, the glue, to mix it and to spread it. And I have to, of course, attach that to that broken piece. Alright, so it says for every ounce it's 10 drops. So that's what I'm gonna do. Punch a needle on this, on the glue, on the hardener. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alright, so that's 20 drops. It's about 2 ounces in there, I think. Now I don't have a measuring cup, so I gotta pretty much go with it. Now I'm gonna mix it. Mix, and I already have the claws. I already took them all into pieces. Oh shit! Damn, I dropped some. All right. Now you get a brush, and then you gotta put it on the bumper itself. Let's see. Okay, so obviously I couldn't show you guys what I was doing. What I pretty much just did was I brushed all the hardener on there, and then I just laid over these little cloths, laid them on there, and then I like, you know, fixed them around, and then I brushed them over again with more hardener. So that's pretty much all I did, and hopefully that will hold. I might just put a little bit more cloths on there. Yeah. Alright guys, so right after this I should be able to sand down the bumper, and then I will paint it, of course, black. I will paint it black, and then put some what's it called, clear coat right after it, and then I will be installing the fog lights. So I'll finally be installing the fog lights, and then I'll put the bumper on, and then later on I'll connect them. So yeah, that's pretty much what's gonna be done. Just a real quick reminder, I am not an expert at this shit. I have never put fiberglass on bumpers, never put fiberglass in my life on anything. This is just reading the fucking instructions, looking at YouTube videos from other people. So I'm just pretty much just following along, man, going with it. Hopefully everything turns out good like I want it to be. So,